big setback for foldable phones as 3 companies suspend projects. Rumors are speculating that the foldable phone market, once hailed as a groundbreaking innovation, may be facing some challenges. According to tipsters, there are indications that at least 3 major smartphone brands have either halted or significantly delayed their foldable phone projects. It was reported that a prominent player among the top 5 smartphone manufacturers globally has completely suspended its effort in developing foldable devices. Furthermore, 2 additional companies have decided to pause their projects involving flip-style foldable phones. The reasons behind these project suspensions remain unclear, and the identities of the specific brands involved haven't been disclosed. Currently, the foldable smartphone market is predominantly dominated by Android manufacturers. For instance, Samsung, boasting the largest market share, is reportedly progressing with its upcoming iterations of Z-series foldable phones, including a triple folding model. Similarly, Huawei is rumored to be working on a triple folding style phone, while Oppo and Vivo have also ventured into this space with the release of several iterations of foldable devices. However, recent reports have suggested that both Oppo and Vivo are reconsidering their presence in the foldable market. Allegedly, this decision stems from a significant decline in their market share within this segment observed last year. Nevertheless, neither brand has issued an official statement yet, prompting the need for further reports to clarify the situation. If these reports prove to be true, it could potentially impact OnePlus's foldable initiatives, as the brand's been closely associated with Oppo and has introduced only one foldable device under its name. In other news, Apple's foldable iPhone project is also reportedly encountering challenges, particularly concerning issues with fragile screens. Despite offering distinctive form factors and possibilities, foldable phones remain costly and to some extent prone to fragility.